first class Hindi. First class Hindi. Previous class we learned R to E letters and E letter words. Okay na? Today we are going to learn R to AHA. Okay na? First Hindi Varnamala. We will discuss Varnamala. Okay na? In Hindi Varnamala divided into 3 types. Hindi Varnamala divided into how many times, children?
3 types. Telugu
Okay, na?
Varnamala also.
Telugu Varnamala also divided into 3 types. That one Achulu, Hallulu, Ubhayakshar. This Hindi Varnamala divided into 3 types. Swar, Vyanjan, Samyukta Vyanjan. Okay na? Swar, Vyanjan, Samyukta Vyanjan. Here says swar means R to Ha letters called as swar. Vyanjan means Ka to Ha letters called as Vyanjan. After Ha, after which letter comes? Akshar to Shra letters. Shra to Tra letters. Okay now, these are divided into 3 types. R to Ha letters called as swar, Ka to Ha letters called as Vyanjan, Shra to Shra letters called as Samyukta Vyanjan. First today we will discuss swar. Swar means in English meaning vowels. Swar means vowels. Vyanjan means consonants. Samyukta Vyanjan means compound consonants. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు మనం vowels గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Means swar గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం.
R to AHA.
Swar. Okay na? R to AHA letters called as swar. R to AHA letters called as swar. First A letter. 3 line but some up, sleeping line, standing line, up sleeping line. Okay na? Curve, again curve, sleeping line, standing line, up sleeping line. It's called A. Okay na? Next, second A. Curve, sleeping line, 2 standing lines. How many standing lines? 2 standing lines and up 1 sleeping line. It's a A. It's a A. Okay now. After which letter comes E. Kada? Here see sleeping line, small standing line. Don't give big. Okay now. Small standing line. Curve. Reverse curve. Again like this. Reverse curve and small like this. Round and outside of the line. Okay now.
Down curve.
Sleeping line, small standing line, curve, C line. Okay, curve and reverse C and small round and outside of this line. Okay now, E. Okay, E. Next, E. Same sleeping line, standing line, curve, reverse curve, round and outside of the line. E. But difference, what is this difference? E and E. Upside half curve. Upside half curve. It's a E. It's a E. Okay now. Difference between E and E. Okay now. E. E. Okay. Once again I repeat. A. E. E. Up. E. E. Okay now. Next. E after which letter comes? Woo. Sleeping line. Curve. Curve. Again curve. Once again. See. Sleeping line. Curve.
Again curve.
Curve. It's a woo. Okay now. It's a which letter this one? Woo. Once again I repeat you. Sleeping line. Curve. Okay, grind curve. Woo. It's a woo. Okay, next. Woo after which letter comes?
Ooh.
Woo. See. Sleeping line. Curve. Curve. And here's the middle. Down curve. Middle of down curve. Here. Sleeping line. Curve. Curve. In these two curves, middle down curve. It's a woo. Okay na? It's a woo. This one? Woo. Okay na? Once again repeat you here say children. A.
E.
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 Woo. Ooh. Woo after which letter comes? Roo. Here see. Sleeping line. Standing line. Here see one slant line. Slant and what? Up slant line. Down. Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Next. Here see. Curl. Curl. Okay. Sleeping line. Standing line. Two slant lines. One curve. Roo. What is this letter?
Roo.
Roo. E. Roo. You also pronounce with me? Not. Okay. What is this letter? What is this letter? This one? E. This one? E. This one? E after which letter comes? Woo. Woo after which letter comes? Woo. Okay now. Woo after which letter comes? Roo. Okay. Roo after which letter comes? Ye. Here say children. Up one sleeping line. Standing line. Okay. Slant line. One standing line. So easy. It's not hard. Sleeping line. One small standing line. Slant line. Okay. The right side one standing line. It's a, what is this? A. Sleeping line, standing line, slant line, one standing line. What is this letter? A. Okay, next. I. How to write I? Sleeping line,
Same like
standing line, same like that. Standing line and slant line, one standing line, up one slant line. Difference what? Up slant line. A, I. Telugulo? I.
Middle letter.
But Hindi?
I.
I. I. Hindi, Telugulo 3 letters ఉంటాయి. హిందీలో 2 letters ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? హిందీ में 2 letters only. తెలుగులో 3 letters. ఓకేనా? I. Next. I after which letter comes? Wo. Same like this. ఓకేనా?
But 2 lines.
Wo. Ow. See. Wo వచ్చేసరికి curves, sleeping line, 2 standing lines, 1 slant line. Ow వచ్చేసరికి
Same like
curve, sleeping line, 2 standing lines, 2 slant lines. Ow. Wo. Ow. Next. Aha. Here I'm writing. Like sleeping line, standing line, up sleeping line. Upside one dot. Next. Aha. See. Curve, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, 2 dots. Aha. Okay, now once again I repeat you. How to write like start. Curve, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line.
1 second sound.
E. Woo. Ooh. Roo. Ye. I. Wo. Ow. Aha. Okay na? Today homework, read and write R to AHA letters. Okay na? 2 times read and write R to AHA letters. Okay children? Thank you.